Welcome to Santosh English Learning channel on YouTube. Dear students, I have been uploading videos on spoken English in my channel. I think if you watch my videos, you can learn spoken English. Learning spoken English is not difficult that you think. You can speak if you have interest to learn and speak. Learning depends upon how much interest you have to learn the language. You can see even the rickshaw puller of cosmopolitan cities or developed cities, they are speaking English because they want to learn it to face their customers coming from foreign countries. Unless they learn the language, they can't manage their work. So necessity is the mother of invention. They want to learn this language because it will help them in managing their work. When they meet foreigners and they want to interact with them, they need a language that is not Hindi but English. If they speak English, they can interact to their customers who are coming from foreign countries or foreign states. So English is the most easiest language. You can learn it if you have interest. Dear students, spoken English. Spoken English is not different from written English. You are capable in writing English, but why you are not capable in speaking? That is why you are not doing practice. If you carry on practice, you can speak English. Only simple structures are required to express that you want to speak. Your any language is divided into two divisions, spoken form and written form. First spoken form, second written form. In written form, you need some grammatical elements and the sentence should be written in a correct and effective manner. But in spoken, nothing is required. Only you have to present what you want to do or what you want to speak. This is called spoken English. Suppose you are going to meet a doctor and you reached in his clinic, but you are not able to know if he is a doctor or not. If you ask him, excuse me, are you Dr. Mishra? Not saying so. If you say, excuse me, you Dr. Mishra, that is enough. That means to present your feeling, the language is required. It is called spoken English. So, in any language, there is also grammatical tricks. If you don't learn the grammatical tricks or the things or the words that are required to frame a sentence in a correct manner, that is called grammar. So in spoken English, we don't need grammar, only we need some verbs. Because verbs are very helpful to express your feeling. If you don't know verb, you can't speak. So verb is the soul and tense is the brain. So first learn some verb, then learn tense. You can speak English. You can. Okay, in this video, I am uploading very simple structures of active and passive form. Using this passive form, you can also speak English. Suppose, mu कविता लेखे. I write poem. We can say the sentence in another form. कविता मो द्वारा लिखा जाए. Poetry or poem is written by me. He makes tea. से चा तैयारी करती. चा तांको द्वारा तैयारी करा जाए. Tea is made by him. He makes toys. से खेलना गुड़िक गढ़ती. खेलना गुड़िक तांको द्वारा गढ़ा जाए. Toys are made by him. पिला मानकु सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाए. Students are given certificates. School पिला मानकु सर्टिफिकेट दिए. School issues certificate to the students. पिला मानकु स्कूल द्वारा सर्टिफिकेट प्रदान करा जाए. Children or students are issued certificates by school. यह करा जाए. It is done. यह करा जाए कि is it done. यह करा जाए ना. It is not done. चिट्ठी लिखा जाए. Letter is written. चिट्ठी लिखा जाए ना. Letter is not written. चिट्ठी लिखा जाए कि is letter written. कौन लिखा जाए. What is written. सेपरि भावे प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव फॉर्म सेंटेंस गुड़ी को तो केमिति पैसिव करिबा. मु चिट्ठीटे लेखुछि. I am writing a letter. चिट्ठीटे मो द्वारा लेखा जाउछि. A letter is being written by me. He is making coffee. से कॉफी तैयारी करुछंती. Coffee is being made by him. Mohan is painting a picture. Mohan एक छवि पेंट करुछंती. A picture is being painted by Mohan. Okay? If the sentence is in present perfect, how you can make it passive and how you can speak in another sentence. Suppose I have made a project. मु एक प्रोजेक्ट करी अछि. एक प्रोजेक्ट मो द्वारा करा जाय अछि. A project has been made by me. The principal has sent a letter to the head office. A letter has been sent to the head office by principal. Bakul chair ti bhangichi. Bakul has broken the chair. Chair ti bakul द्वारा भंगा जाय अछि. The chair has been broken by Bakul. So एही परि भाबे आमे प्रेजेंट सिंपल रो, प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव रो, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट रो वाक्य गुडी को आमे भिन्न आकार बा पासिव फॉर्म रे प्रकाश करि परिबा. This is the very shortest way to learn spoken English. Remember, while speaking English, you should not think that you are making some mistakes. If you think that you are making mistake, you can speak. While speaking, if you make any mistake, forget and continue speaking. Nothing wrong, everything is right. Everything is right. It is called lifestyle English. So learn lifestyle English. Lifestyle English means the current English, which the speaker speaking English are using English in a different way. It needs no grammatical error, only presentation. How far you are capable to present yourself before others. This is called spoken English. Speak English without thinking that you are making wrong. Okay, you can speak English. Sure, yes, you can speak English. Watch this video and learn how spoken English has been uploaded in this video. And in my second video, I will upload the actions of past tense, which will help you in improving your knowledge in spoken English. Thanks watching my video.